It's a call to press deeper, a call to go beyond the surface and reach out to the deep. Press deeper. There is oil in the deep. Dig deeper. Press deeper. There is water in the well. Dig deeper. Press deeper. There is water in the deep. Dig deeper. Don't stop pressing. Don't stop digging. There is oil in the well. Dig deeper. Press deeper. Oh, me ben inu konga. Dig deeper. Press deeper. There is water in the deep. Dig deeper. Press deeper. There is oil in the deep. Dig deeper. Hey, press deeper. Press deeper. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't be tired. Dig deeper. And I know
the answer's on the way. Don't stop praying. Keep praying.
Keep praying. The answer is on the way. Don't stop praying.
Keep
praying. Oh, the answer is on the way. Don't stop praying.
Don't stop waiting.
Don't stop waiting.
I know only I can. Keep praying. No. The answer's on the way. Don't stop praying. Mama na ho kana na natelo. Keep praying.
The answer is on the way. Don't stop praying.
Don't run out of Adulam. Banana hatila koneleda. Keep waiting, keep praying. The answer's on the way. Don't stop waiting. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles.
Oh, Mayana lele jayana olwele kande yanana sona manteliela.
Eagle, it looks like you are tired. Keep waiting.
Eagle,
it looks like if you are weak. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Keep waiting.
Oh yana ya. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. The answer is on the way. Keep waiting. Keep praying. The answer is on the way. Don't stop praying.
Keep tarrying. Transformation has come.
Yes.
Don't run out of Adulam.
Oh.
Sons of David, keep waiting. Transformation has come.
Oh.
Keep waiting.
It might be painful, it might be hard, but don't stop praying. For the answer is on the way. Don't stop praying. Go deep. Go deep. Press deeper. There is oil in the deep. Dig deeper. Oh, press deeper. There is oil in the deep. Dig deeper. Thank you, Lord.
Keep praying. The answer's on the way. Don't stop praying. Keep praying. The answer's on the way. Don't stop praying. I trust in the Lord for your. The time is now. Don't stop waiting.
Don't stop asking. Don't stop seeking.
The answer's
Don't stop reaching out. It's right there where you are. Keep calling on Him. He's here to hear you cry. Keep asking.
Keep asking.
Keep asking.
It's on the way.
The way.
It's on the way. It's on the way. It's on the way.
Yes.
Answers.
Woo!
It's on the way.
Oh, it's on the way.
It's on the way.
On the way.
Testimonies. Your own turn. It's on the way.
On the way.
Oh.
It's on the way.
And you will testify.
They that wait upon the Lord, any man at all, shall renew his strength. He shall mount up with wings. He shall walk and not be weary. He shall run and not faint. He says they go from strength to strength. All day they appear before the Lord in Zion.
Don't stop praying.
Zion is the place of strength.
Yes.
The place of strength.
The answer's on the way. Don't stop praying.